Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to access one WhatsApp account on two phones. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go onto the second device you wish to add the WhatsApp account to. This is the primary device on the left hand side, which has the SIM card for this WhatsApp account. So come on to the second device, which is on the right hand side, and what you need to do is go and open up WhatsApp. If you're yet to get it, go and get it, then open it up. As you can see, I'm yet to set WhatsApp up. What we need to do is click on Agree and Continue. It's now asking you for your phone number. Don't go and enter it. What you need to do is go to the top right and click on the three dots, just like this. Then you need to click on Link as Companion Device. Click there. What this means is that on this device, we'll go and scan the QR code, and then we can use our WhatsApp account on more than one phone. What we need to do now is on this device here, go and open up the settings like so. Then you need to go to QR code, scan it, and then click on Link a Device. You need to allow access to the camera and use Face ID or your fingerprint to confirm it's you. Then what you can do is go and scan the QR code, and it'll say logging in. As you can see, we've now gone and logged in, and we can see the chats on both screens just like so. I can go send a message from this phone here, for example, and then as you can see, it will appear on the other one as well. It's that simple. So that's basically how you can access one WhatsApp account on two phones. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.